What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to open up my One Funnel Away challenge box. I'm super excited about it. Stay with me, it's coming right up. Before we get into that, my name is Eric Hammer. I know as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, before we get into everything, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money on my niche. Basically, I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, I can't tell you enough times. You gotta look at my reviews. It doesn't work anyway. He never ever listens to me. I don't know what's with him. Sorry about the bus outside. Anyhow, we're standing here in my dining room. I also do a lot of videos about how to make some extra money on the side, some mindset stuff, all kinds of entrepreneurship kind of stuff.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, you say the sweetest things. Thank you so much. If you are new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's keep the conversation going. Let's get right into this. Okay, so as I said, we're here in my dining room. I actually got excited. I opened it up a little bit first, but I'm going to show you everything right here now. My cat is here. He's excited as well. So we got the One Funnel Away Challenge workbook. Okay, we have, this thing is all about getting, becoming an affiliate for the One Funnel Away Challenge, which, by the way, I think you should really go for. I'm going to leave a link up here to my review of the One Funnel Away Challenge. I think you're going to be super excited. Okay, there's confetti for my cat to play with. Look at that, $100, Russell Brunson, cute. Okay, 30days.com. Okay, this is a book that comes with the package. Basically, he interviewed a whole bunch of people who are very, very successful. Said, what if you had to start over again? What would you do? This is what he came up with. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Oh yes, and this is cool. This is an MP3 player. Comes with all of the course material on it. I am super excited about this. I'm going to be going through the challenge again now that I have the book and everything else. I'm going to do it a second time on my own just to see if I missed anything the first time through. If you want to do it also, I encourage you to take a look. It's only $100. It's well worth the money. I learned a ton of stuff, and I've been doing this for a while. You can learn a lot too. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you on the next video.